Welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss problems on circular motion part 3. ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను తప్పక మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియచేయండి. Okay, let us go to the today's session. Problems on circular motion part 3. Go to the first question. Find the maximum speed at which a car can turn round a curve of 30 meters radius on a level road where the coefficient of friction between the tire and the road is 0.4. Now let us go to the solution. Here they given curve of radius 30 meters. So R is equals to 30 meters and coefficient of friction between the tire and the road is 0.4, that is mu is equals to 0.4 and G is equals to, you have to take 10 meters per second square and you have to calculate maximum speed. Find the maximum speed. So V is equals to question mark. We find the maximum speed. You have to calculate at which a car can round a curve of 30 meters radius on a level road. Okay, V square is equals to mu K into RG. Now substituting the values, mu K nothing but 0.4, R 30 meters, G 10 meters per second square. So this is equals to 0.4 can be written as 4 by 10 into 30 into 10. 0 gets cancels. 4 3s are 12. 12 into 10, 120. So V square is equals to 120. V is equals to square root of 120. Root of 120 nothing but 10.84 meters per second. This is the maximum speed. Okay, therefore final answer is V is equals to 10.84 meters per second. This is the maximum speed of the car. Okay, next we will go to the next question. Second one, a park has a radius of 10 meters. If a vehicle goes round it and average speed of 10 km per hour, what should be the proper angle of banking? Here you have to calculate angle of banking. They given a radius R is equals to 10 meters and the speed is equals to 18 km per hour. Let us go to the solution. In this question they given V is equals to 18 km per hour. Converting into meters per second, 18 into 5 by 18. 18 ones 18. So is equals to 5 meters per second. And they given a radius R is equals to 10 meters. You have to find out the angle of banking. That is tan theta is equals to V square by RG. You have to calculate theta is equals, theta nothing but angle of banking. So from tan theta is equals to V square by RG. Substituting the values, V nothing but 5 whole square by R 10, G value 10. That is equals to tan theta is equals to 5 square nothing but 25. 10 tens are 100, 25 ones are 25 fours are, that is equals to 1 by 4. If tan theta is equal to 1 by 4, theta is equals to tan inverse of 1 by 4. This is a angle of banking. Theta is equals to tan inverse of 1 by 4. Okay, next we will go to the next question. Third question. The angle at which the roads to be banked to have a cave turn is given by tan theta is equals to V square by Rg. G is equals to 10 meters per second square. If the road at a circular turn of radius 10 meters is banked by an angle 10 degrees, with what speed should vehicle move on the turn so that the normal contact force is able to provide the necessary centripetal force? So here in this question, the given formula you have to use is that tan theta is equals to V square by Rg, where G is 10 meters per second square and radius 10 meters and angle 10 degrees. So here in this question, they given as tan 10 degrees is equals to 0.18. Now first let us go to the solution. R is equals to the given 10 meters and G is equals to 10 meters per second square. Tan 10 degrees they given as 0.18 and here you have to calculate maximum speed. At what speed should vehicle move on the turn so that the normal contact force is able to provide the necessary centripetal force. So here you have to calculate maximum speed V. V is equal to question mark. From the here angle of banking the given tan theta is equal to V square by Rg. So tan theta is equals to V square by Rg. From this we are writing theta is equals to or tan theta is equals to V square by Rg. From this we are writing the formula for V. V square is equal to taking cross multiplication tan theta into R into G, or we can write it as V is equals to root of R into G into tan theta. So that is equals to, now substituting the values, R nothing but 10 they given, G also 10 and tan theta nothing but tan 10 degrees. So that is equals to root of 10 into they given as tan 18 0.18. So here since tan 10 degrees is equals to 0.18, okay, now that is equals to 10 into 0.18 can be written as 18 by 100. So here 0 gets cancels. V is equals to root 18, that is equals to 4.2 meters per second. So therefore theta V value tan degrees they given as 0.18. Now we are substituting the values R and G. R 10, G also 10, tan 10 degrees 0.18. 0.18 can be written as 18 by 100. 0 gets cancels, root 18. So root 18 is equals to, we are getting 4.2 meters per second. So therefore final answer is V is equals to 4.2 meters per second. Okay, next we will go to the next question. Next question, fourth one. The angle at which the roads to be banked to have a cave turn is given by tan theta is equals to V square by Rg. The given G as 10 meters per second square. If a person with his hand in his pocket is skating on the ice at the speed of 10 meters per second and describes a circle of radius 50 meters, then you have to find out what is the inclination to the vertical. Here they given speed 10 meters per second and tan theta is equals to V square by Rg and G is equals to 10 meters per second square. You have to find out the inclination to the vertical. So that is angle of inclination you have to find out. Let us go to the solution. Here the given speed V is equals to 10 meters per second and R radius they given 50 meters and you have to find out the angle of inclination, that is inclination to the vertical. That is, from this formula, tan theta is equals to v square by rg. This can be written as theta is equals to tan inverse of v square by rg. Now substituting the values, theta is equals to tan inverse of v square nothing but v nothing but 10 into 10 whole square 10 into 10 by r nothing but 50, g they given as 10 cancel, 0 cancel, 1 by 5. So theta is equals to tan inverse of 1 by 5. This is the final answer. Inclination, what is the inclination to the vertical? Nothing but angle of inclination theta is equals to tan inverse of 1 by 5. Tan inverse of 1 by 5 is the angle of inclination. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Fifth one, the angle at which the roads to be banked to have a cave turn is given by tan theta is equals to v square by rg. G is given as 10 meters per second square. If a car is moving along a circular track of radius 10 root 3 meters with a constant speed of 36 km per hour, a plumb bomb is suspended from the roof of the car by a light rigid rod of length 1 meter. The angle made by the rod with the track is, here they given a car is moving along a circular track of radius r is equals to they given 10 root 3 meters with a constant speed of 36 km per hour. Here you have to find out the angle made by the rod with the track. So in this question they given g is equals to 10 meter per second square, radius 10 root 3 meters and speed 36 km per hour. Let us go to the solution. V is equals to 36 km per hour. Converting into meter per second, 36 into 5 by 18. 18 ones are 18 twos are 5 twos are 10 meters per second. And they given as r is equals to 10 root 3 meters and g is equals to 10 meters per second square, and you have to calculate angle made by the rod with the track. So theta is equals to tan theta is equals to v square by r g. From this we are writing theta is equals to tan inverse of v square by r g. Now substituting values, theta is equals to tan inverse of v square nothing but v they given as 36 km per hour, converting into meter per second we are getting 10 meters per second, that is 10 into 10 by r g, r 10 root 3 into g 10 meter per second square. Theta is equals to tan inverse of 10 into 10 by 10 root 3 into 10. 10 nothing but r value, this is the g value. Here 10 cancel, here 10 also cancel. So theta is equals to tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Tan inverse of 1 by root 3 is equals to tan 30 value 1 by root 3. So tan inverse of tan 30 nothing but 30 degrees. So theta is equals to, final answer is theta is equals to tan inverse of tan 30 30. So theta is equals to 30 degrees. Therefore theta angle made by the rod with the truck is theta is equals to 30 degrees. This is the final answer. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Sixth one, a particle on a rough horizontal circular table rotating with a constant angular speed of pi radians per second. It comes to rest. relative to table at a distance of 0.5 meters from the axis of rotation, then value of mu between particle and table surface is, you have to calculate. What do you have to calculate? Mu. Value of mu between particle and table surface. That is coefficient of friction you have to calculate. Here they given a particle and a rough horizon circular speed, angular speed they given as pi radians per second, and the distance they given as 0.5 meters. So the particle at rest relative to the table centripetal force is equals to frictional force. Now let us come to the solution. Here the given particle is at rest. It comes to rest relative to table. Nothing but centrifugal force is equals to frictional force. The particle is at rest relative to the table. Therefore, centripetal force is equals to frictional force. Centripetal force is equals to frictional force. So, centripetal force nothing but m omega square r. Frictional force nothing but mu m g. Here m cancel, and next we will write omega square r is equals to mu into g. Now you have to calculate the value of mu. So this can be written as mu g is equals to omega square into r. Mu is equals to omega square r by g. Now substituting values, omega they given as pi radians per second, pi square, and r they given as 0.5, g they given as 9.8. So pi square nothing but 3.14 whole square, nothing but 3.14 into 3.14, 0.5, or you can take pi value 22 by 7. Since pi is equals to 22 by 7, or we can take 3.14 by 9.8. After multiplication, we are getting 4.9298 by 9.8, that is equals to, we are getting 0.5. So mu is equals to 0.5, or you can written as 5 into 10 to the power of minus 1. This is the final answer. Mu is equals to, either you can write 0.5 or 5 into 10 to the power of minus 1. This is the final answer. Okay, next we will go to the next question. 7th one, a curved road of 50 meters in radius is banked to correct angle of a given speed. If the speed is to be doubled keeping the same banking angle, the radius of curvature of the road to be changed to. Here in this question, the given radius r is equals to 15 meters. Now we have to calculate the radius of curvature of the road to be changed radius of curvature. So let us go to the solution. Now r1 they given as 50 meters, and here tan theta is equals to v square by rg. From this formula we are writing v square is directly proportional to r. So from this v1 square by v2 square is equals to, we can write it as r1 by r2. So this one v1 is equals to v1 square, and v2 is equals to, they given as double. If the speed is to be doubled nothing but twice. So here v2 we are writing as 2v1. They given as doubled. We have to next speed is, if the speed is to be doubled keeping the same banking angle, next you have to calculate the radius of curvature. If speed is doubled, what is the radius of curvature? So substituting v1 nothing but v1 square and v2 nothing but they given as 2v1 whole square, that is equals to r1 nothing but they given as 50. First r1 r2 will write like first v1 square, here again v1 square, 2v1 whole square can be written as 4v1 square, v1 square v1 square cancel, r1 they given as 50 and r2 you have to calculate. Now taking cross multiplication, here 1 by 4, so r2 into 1 r2, 50 into 4 200, 50 into 4 that is equals to 200 meters. This is the, if speed is doubled, radius of curvature is 200 meters. One is r1 50 meters, r2 is 200 meters. This is the final answer. Okay, next we will go to the next question, 8th one. A boy sitting on a horizontal platform of joy wheel at a distance of 5 meters from its center. The joy wheel begins to rotate and when the angular speed exceeds 10 revolutions per minute, the boy just slips. Then the coefficient of friction between the boy and the platform is, you have to calculate a coefficient of friction between boy and the platform. G is equals to the given as 10 meters per second square. Number of revolutions 10. Distance they given as 5 meters. Okay. Let us go to the solution. G is equals to the given 10 meters per second square and distance r is equals to 5 meters. Now centripetal force F is equals to mr omega square. Here F we can write it as mu r is equals to mr omega square. So r can be written as, next we are writing mu r is equals to r nothing but we are writing m into g. Mu m g is equals to m r omega square. M cancel. Mu g is equals to r omega square. So mu is equals to, we are writing r omega square by g. Now that is equals to r into omega nothing but 2 pi n whole square. Here since omega is equals to 2 pi n, substituting omega is equals to 2 pi n here by g. So that is equals to r into 2 square 4, pi square nothing but pi square into n square by g. Here since n is equals to, they given as 10 revolutions per minute, that is 10 by 60. So now we are substituting all values. R is equals to 5 and 4 into pi square into 10 by 60 whole square by g value they given as 10. So here 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, 2 ja. So that is equals to mu is equals to, here 2 into pi square, 2 into pi square into, here 10 1 ja 10 6 ja. So 1 by 6 whole square by 1. So that is equals to 2 into pi square into 1 by 6 square how much? 36. So 2 1 ja 2 18 ja. So that is equals to pi square by 18. At last we are getting, this is value of n and it is omega. Finally we are getting mu is equals to pi square by 18. This is final answer. Coefficient of friction mu is equals to pi square by 18. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.